2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, CD player, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.